Problem number 5, find the equation of line in vector and Cartesian form. So, we have to find the equation of the straight line in vector form and Cartesian form. So, what are the conditions given? That line is passes through the point. So, the line straight line passing through the point with the position vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap, that is OA or A vector is given for you, this one, and is in the direction. So, this one is in the direction of I cap plus 2j cap plus minus k cap. So, let us recollect the formula of vector equation of the straight line passes through the point whose position vector is A vector and parallel to the vector B is nothing but vector equation is r bar is equals to A vector plus lambda into B vector, where lambda belongs to real number system. And what is its Cartesian form? So, in the Cartesian form the points are x1, y1, z1 and the B vector drs are given as, we can take the B vector drs as b1, b2, b3. So, the Cartesian form of the equation of straight line passing through the point x1, y1, z1 and parallel to the vector b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap is given by x minus x1 divided by b1 is equals to y minus y1 divided by b2 z minus z1 divided by b3. So, these are the vector and Cartesian form of equation of straight line passing through the point whose position vector is given and parallel to the given vector, right. You can check the previous videos for the derivation. Yeah. Now, just we have to substitute in those formulae the given quantities. So, the vector equation is nothing but r bar is equals to A vector, which is nothing but 2i cap minus 2j cap, minus j cap plus 4k cap. So, just this part is substituted plus lambda is some real number, lambda of B, lambda into B vector. So, B vector is given as I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now, coming to Cartesian form, x minus x1 by b1. So, here x1, y1, z1 are nothing but 2 comma minus 1 comma 4 and b1, b2, b3 drs are 1, 2 minus 1. So, substituting in that formula x minus 2 divided by 1 is equals to y minus y1 minus of minus 1, y plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to z minus z1 is 4 divided by minus 1. So, these are the vector and Cartesian equation of the straight lines, straight line passing through the given point whose position vector and in the direction of the given vector. This one is minus j here. So, it should be here minus j cap. Problem number 6, find the Cartesian equation of the line which passes through the point. So, point is given and parallel to the line given by. So, the straight line equation itself is given in the Cartesian form. That straight line, which straight line equation? We need one straight line. That line is parallel to another straight line. That straight line equation is given in Cartesian form. Okay? Okay. First, let us draw a diagram, we can get idea. We have to find the Cartesian equation of straight line. Okay. So, even though I am doing this straight line in the on the board, we have to imagine this in the 3 dimension. Okay. So, the point is given minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5, minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5. So, this is nothing but position vector of the point OA is minus 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap in the vector form. Okay, fine. So, it is given as in the Cartesian form means x1, y1, z1 this point. Now, this particular line is parallel to another line. So, this is parallel to another line. So, how that line is given? That line equation is given in the form of x plus 3 by 3 is equal to y minus 4 by 5 is equal to z plus 8 by 6, which is the Cartesian form. Comparing this one with the Cartesian form of equation of straight line x minus x1, in the previous problem I used the parallel vector as b1, b2, b3. In the book the formula is given as ABC, we can use it as ABC also, and parallel to the vector whose direction cosines, that is the drs are a comma b comma c. Then the formula is vector equation of the straight line x minus x1 by a is equals to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the vector equation of straight line passing through the Cartesian equation of straight line passing through the point x1 y1 z1 and parallel to the vector whose drs are a b c. So comparing with this line, that is the parallel line, okay, is passing through the point, my x1 y1 z1 are minus 3, compare this one, comma 4 comma minus 8. So it is passing through the point minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 8, and second part it is parallel. So this line is parallel to the vector, is directed towards 3i cap plus 5j cap plus 6k cap in the vector form, or in the Cartesian form drs are, it is parallel to the vector whose drs are 3, 5, 6. So just this ABC values. So it is again parallel to ABC vector is given as drs, given as minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 8. So our required line is parallel to this line, and again this line is having the drs which are parallel to the parallel drs are minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 8. So that means our required line is having a parallel drs as minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 8. So these drs can be used to find out the equation of straight line, which is our required one. Already points are given as minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5. So now we have to find out the equation of straight line passing through this point and parallel to the vector or parallel to the vector whose drs are minus 3 comma 4 comma minus 8. So using that, and question is directly find out the Cartesian equation. So the Cartesian equation of the straight line is nothing but this is x1 y1 z1. So x minus of minus 2 x plus 2 by the same drs of this line. So since the given line and our required lines are parallel, their drs are same. That is the one point you should remember. So x plus 2 by minus 3 is equals to y minus 4 by 4 is equals to z plus 5 divided by minus 8. So this is our required Cartesian equation of straight line passing through the point minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5 and parallel to this line. So why we used the same drs? Our required line is parallel to this given line, means that is given line means their drs are same. So we can use the same drs. Seventh problem, the Cartesian equation of a line is given, find its vector form. So in the previous two problems we discussed about it. So the vector form of an equation is r vector is equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. Its corresponding Cartesian equation is x minus x1 divided by a vector is equals to y minus y1 by b vector is equals to z minus z1 by c vector. A vector, b vector, c vectors are nothing but drs, this b vector. So comparing these two, our a vector or position vector OA is nothing but this one, x1 I cap plus, okay, which is x1 I cap plus y1 j cap plus z1 k cap, and our b vector is nothing but a1 I cap plus, sorry, ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap. Okay. So comparing with that, the vector equation for the given line is nothing but r vector is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So r vector we can write as it is as r vector. R vector is equals to, so OA is nothing but, what are this one, x1 I cap is nothing but 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap, okay, these values. And what about the b vector? Drs, 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Fine children? Yeah. Now R vector is equals to, vector form is A vector. Okay. 5i cap minus 4j cap plus 6k cap plus lambda into, lambda is some real number, B vector. So this is the B vector. 3i cap plus 7j cap plus 2k cap. Okay. So for the given Cartesian equation of straight line, we found the vector equation.